There's Hartwell, Rishi. Hartwell looks scared. I think this is his first time. It's first time on YouTube, Hartwell?
Yeah.
It is? Okay, all right, so this will be forever. Rishi's been on there a couple times. He's like a world-class tennis pro, beating up on 30-year-olds. Anyway, so today we are gonna teach them how to do laparoscopic surgery. Let's see if they do it. All right, so this is our setup. This is a laparoscopic simulator. We're using cheap instruments. We're not gonna use anything crazy today. And it has a little camera, and you can see up there on the screen. So I'm gonna show them how to do it, and then they'll have to do it. Hartwell, you gotta watch.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, you gotta time us, okay? You time me and you time Rishi, and we'll see how it goes. So first up is me. All right, so this is an exercise that I use on the students all the time, high school students. Real simple, okay? Stick it through, and you have here and here, okay? So the weird part about this is there's always a little delay on laparoscopic surgery, so you kind of have to be have to get used to it. This is a real easy exercise, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do it first. Hartwell, you can time me while, I think that's probably fair. All right, go. So all you do is you take all these off like this. You don't have to do it like I'm doing it, but you can do it one at a time, and you end up putting them in a circle, okay? And then once you go, put your hands back, and then you gotta put them back. They don't necessarily have to go on the one that you did. They can go anywhere, so the blue one doesn't have to go first, last, or any particular order, but you do have to get all of them back on, and they have to go all the way down, like that one slid. So you do this one, and then you come over, get these last two, put that one there, and it can go way over here if you want to, or any of these other black ones. It doesn't matter which one, and then that's it, time. All right, Hartwell, how to do?
You got 48 seconds.
48 seconds. What's that mean, Rishi? What's that?
We might be here for a while.
Hey, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. The whole point of it is to learn and figure out what we do with surgery. All right, you ready?
All right.
All right, step up. Let's see what you got. Get back here so we can get a better view.
Can I start?
Yeah, go ahead, go. So this is his first run. He'll get better as it goes. So the first thing you always notice when students do this is they all just use one hand.
You go crazy with it.
Nah, man, keep using one hand. That's fine. You gotta figure out how the instruments work first. I've been doing this for 24 years, so I don't expect you to do it as well as I do.
Oh my God.
So it's hard because of a couple things. One, you have that video delay. And that's what we have to deal with in surgery. So it is truly, you touch it, and then the video shows you that you touch it. Now, you think that was messed up? Okay, yeah, he says that one's broken.
No, I think the right one's easier to use.
Okay, it is. Rishi's breaking stuff. Camera fell over. That's fine. So he's also demonstrating the tactile feedback that he's not used to. You put it, yeah, it counts, man. I'll give it to you.
Right.
So now, the easy part is getting them off. The hard part is getting them on. This is where it takes all day. Turn off my old iMac. Oh, if anybody knows how to use an old iMac as an external monitor, let me know. Anyway. So the blue one died. The blue one ran. One green ran.
Oh, well, I don't know why you're laughing.
Oh, Hartwell's got a shot. Hartwell's doing it next. So
I don't know why you're laughing.
Now, at some point, you can call it and say you want to practice. But
I got it.
so, like I said, it's easy to take off. It's hard to put back on. It's a good thing he doesn't want to be a surgeon. Rishi wants to be a judge. All right, you got one on, dude. Yeah. You got. Let's see if you can get those other ones on. And I just laugh because that left hand is just hanging out there, not doing anything. It's just, and you don't have to do it at the same time, dude. That's upper level course work. That's 201, not 101. This is really more introductory. There you go. That's 2. Come on.
There's no way you do this for a job.
Huh?
There's no way you do this for your job.
I do that all day. You saw me do it yesterday with 3
I'd
gallbladders.
probably kill someone if I did.
Yeah. You need to stay where you are. Keep going with high school and tennis, buddy. And reading fundamentals. There you go. Okay, you gotta push it on. There you go. All right, we'll give you 3. That's fine. All right, let's reset the clock and then we'll go from there.
How long did I get?
It was a lot bigger than I thought it was.
No, because it magnifies it anywhere from 2 times to 10 times, depending on how close the scope is. So you can see right here, it looks like that. But if you push the scope in, it gets super close.
Yeah.
So, but we're not gonna do that for y'all. We want y'all out as far as possible so you can see the whole board. And you also have to focus it. So there we go. So you're focused up. All right, Rishi, you time Hartwell. Let's see how well he does. Since he was making fun of you.
This is about to be so hard. How do you turn the...
You can start.
So you can use your finger to turn the blue part. See the handle?
Oh,
Yeah, so you can do that.
okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, let's see how he does. Struggle bus, he's getting them off a little better. Now he's benefiting from seeing Rishi completely kill the patient in about 30 seconds, but he's still struggling. Because again, part of his brain wants to look around the side and look directly at it when he can't. So that delay messes with everybody in the beginning. And you can see again how they're shaking the board, so they're just bumping it all over the place. Ooh. Man, there he ripped the artery off.
Dog, the
What?
pinchers on that are so hard.
It's messed up, huh?
No.
All right, how many minutes are we in?
3.
3 minutes. All right, Hartwell, call it done. He tapped out. Hey, Sally.
Oh, God.
Hey, Sally. Jen. What's Sally doing?
Are you gonna make her do it?
Mm-hmm.
How fast could you do it?
Hey, come do this.
Explaining it.
It's my assistant. Come over here. Playing laparoscopic surgeon.
Oh goodness, what am I doing?
All you gotta do is take those things off, put them in a circle, and then
Which one?
all of them. Take all of them off, put them in a circle. Timer, Rishi. And then put them back on the things.
I'm sweating here.
Why are you sweating?
Because I'm not supposed to be timed.
We're not timing you.
Oh, you said timer.
Nah, he knew I was kidding.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, like that gallbladder won't go in the
It won't go in the bag, will it?
Now, what am I doing?
All right, now put them all back on. Yep, put them on any. Yeah, nah, it didn't matter. You pick.
Does that count?
That counts. It'll fall.
Okay, hold on.
So the interesting part of watching Sally do this is I realize that she uses one hand, but that's because at other times the camera's running, using the other one
Yeah, 'cause
to
I'm
run the
not used to
camera.
using this
Right,
one.
exactly.
This is my camera hand.
That's
So
pretty
in
good.
my mind,
You did
this
it.
is my camera. Like I'm running the camera. That's how I can
Exactly.
see this.
All right, how'd she do?
57 seconds.
Okay, thank you, Sally. Appreciate it.
3 minutes.
And they didn't even get any of them on there. Yeah, it was
Let me try again.
it was straight disrespectful. Hey, Jen. She's on the phone. All right, yeah, it was disrespectful to watch them do it.
That's the first time I've ever done that.
Well, I know you did a good job.
We haven't. I've seen people play with it, but I've never played.
Yeah,
with it
no, you
before.
did a good job.
Just pick a hand. Don't do both hands. Pick a hand.
Yeah, he's trying to be like me.
Yeah. See, and you're used to both hands.
Right, that's all I do is two hands all day. That's right. That's exactly right.
Oh, it's supposed to be timing.
Nah, don't time him. He's still trying to figure out the instrumentation. Jen, you want to do something fun?
Yeah.
All right, put him back, Rishi. Let's let Jen do it. All right, Jen. You want me to show you how to do it, or you want to just do it?
Let me just get a feel for it.
Okay, all right. So what you got to do is take all these things off, and then put them back on.
Wait.
You got it?
Oh, I don't like. Ooh, I don't like this. Hold on.
What's
Depth perception is. Where do I put them? Just in
Drop in this circle. Yep, there you go. Jen, you're doing a good job. You're doing a good job, Jen. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job, Jen.
I've never done this before.
I know you're doing a good job. All right, so we'll call all four. Now put them back on the pedal. Put them back on the things.
I'm sweating already.
Don't sweat.
That's what I said too.
Don't sweat. It's okay. This is what love feels like.
We're gonna see if she can be my replacement whenever I'm out on vacation. What about this?
There you go. Give a little love tap. Give a little tap. Boop.
Oh, I throw this one.
You can put them on any of the
Pedibles.
pedestals.
Pedestals.
Pedestals. Pedestals.
I call them pedestals. I don't know. Pedestals. Good job, G. Girl, you need your colon out. Call me. Call me, Alabama.
Call me, Alabama.
Call me, Alabama. You need your colon out. Oh, shoot. Hold on.
Hold on.
Maybe See, I get the bragging on myself. Maybe we'll start with the appendix or gallbladder.
Yeah, we'll start slow. Almost had it. There you go. Boop.
Jen, I'm impressed. We should be. I mean, I have many hidden talents. I just don't put all my cards on the table.
That's right. We don't need to know everything.
You don't need to know everything. You just need to know what you need to know.
That's right.
Oh, bitch, come on.
Oop, there it is. All right, one more. There it is. There it is.
Hang on. Okay. I'm going in.
She's going in.
It's coming over here.
And time. What we get?
209.
209. So she at least completed it. Y'all jokers are killing people. It's awful.
See? You
Look
didn't
at
know
you.
that
Ooh.
about me, did you? Hey, good job. I'll scroll with you.
Okay. All right, y'all got any questions? Hartwell, questions? You good? Rishi?
Do not have any questions.
All right. Laparoscopic simulator. It's fun.